Hi guys, Anita here. How is everyone? Okay, so today we're going to be doing I Love Etsy List 10, episode 23, I think. I'm not sure. I think it's 23. Okay, so if you are new to this I Love Etsy thing, it's where I list 10 items. I show items that I've sold, but I don't have any right now. Well, I have sold items, but they're already all shipped out. So I'm just going to show you what I have listed. And I decided to do all the turquoise rings that I had left today. And there were 10. Two of them are, and now I'm going to butcher this, I know it, laboradorite. I have two rings, and the rest are going to be turquoise rings. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I have and tell you guys what I listed them for. Okay, and hopefully I'll be able to do one tomorrow afternoon, telling you how much that they sold for, if they do sell. Okay, so the first one is this one here. Number one, I wrote here, very pretty turquoise ring here. I just love the details on this ring, and all of them have really pretty detail work on the sides, and some of them are actually split band as well, but not this one. This one is, I listed it for $35, and as you guys know, I put a 20% off sale on them to begin with, so it's going to be less than what I'm saying right now. And I'm just going to tell you the size of these, so you can go to the store link if you're interested. Okay, so this one is 7 3/4. Okay, and I will put the link below. And I just want to remind everybody that me and Lucia are going to be doing the show tomorrow, and we're going to have Sandy from Just Sandy as a guest tomorrow. So please go ahead and join in. She'll be putting up the link shortly. I'm going to put her link of her channel down below as well, so you'll be able to see that show. Okay, so number two we have here. Okay. And the show is called Coffee and Chit Chat, because that's pretty much what we do. Okay. And this one here is number two. This one I listed it for $25. And one second here, let me silence the phone. Of course, nobody calls me all day. And then when I'm busy, I get phone calls and messages. Okay, that's how it is with everybody, I'm sure. Okay, and this one again, I listed it for 25, and it will be less than that. And this one is the split band. I love the little, the work that they have on these. Very pretty. And I did test all of these. So this one is size 6 1/4. Or is that a 6? Looks like a 6. Okay. Okay, and let's have another look. Oop. So it's definitely above a 6 if it's fitting my finger. Okay. So next we have number 3, and I do put these, in bags with the numbers, so I don't get them mixed up and send out the wrong items. It's better to, when you have a whole bunch of things that are similar, like turquoise rings, to go ahead and number them. Okay, so this one's number 3. This one is really pretty. Gorgeous, actually. Look at all these. It looks like it's wearing a skirt. It's that pretty. And it does have a really nice band as well. This one, I listed it for $40. And let's see what size this is. Size 8 3/4. Okay. So yeah, this is very pretty. And I'm going to show you my favorite. I think that one is next. Let's see. Number 4. Yes, it is. Okay, this is my favorite one. This is a laboradorite, or some people call it labradite. Look at how beautiful this ring is. It's gorgeous. And it does have the flash in here. Very pretty ring. This one I listed it for 40, and let's see what size. 6 3/4. Okay. Okay, we'll move on to the next. Number 5. Number 5, I listed it for 30. This is really pretty too. It's a light color turquoise stone on here. Again, it looks like it's wearing a skirt, only more like a sun design on here. And it does have the split band. And this one is size 7 3/4. I don't know about you guys, but I like wearing multiple rings. Like, if, let's say if I have one here, I'll put another one here. Maybe not as big, but I like wearing more than one ring. I'm not wearing any today because I'm gonna show. I wanted to be able to show the rings on my fingers. Okay. Next one is, now I lost where I am, guys. Okay, so number 6. Okay. Oh, this one has two turquoise stones on here. Very pretty. And this one here is more of a blue and dark brown color. And this one here is more of a green and lighter brown color. So they're totally different stones. This one's circle. This one's more of a teardrop shape. Again, lots of detail, split band. And this one is size about 6 3/4. I need one of those clear things, you know, that roll the jewelry on, the one Sandy uses. Okay. Next, number 7 is this one. And I listed this one for $20, and it's going to be even less than 20 because it is a small ring, and there aren't very many people with tiny fingers. But this one it's a really large stone, so don't be fooled by the price. But it is a very pretty. Look at that split band, and it has a little wraparound kind of metal here. Very pretty. And this one, it is a smaller size. It's size 5 1/4. Okay. Very pretty ring, marked, and it's also tested. Okay, so we're gonna go to number 8. This one here, this is just a very nice simple ring here. Well, I wouldn't call it simple. It does have that really nice chain around kind of. Actually, it's more of a rope around design around it. Really pretty teardrop shape. I'm not sure what shapes like this. That's a good question to ask. I'm not sure what shapes like this, like a teardrop shape, is the you know, the point part supposed to be pointing up, or is it supposed to be pointing, you know, down? If anyone knows that, please put it in the chat, because I'm not sure if it's supposed to be pointing up or down. I have no idea. I actually like it better this way, with it pointing down. So this one, I listed it for $20, and it will be less because of the 20% sale. This one is about size 5 3/4. Okay. Number 9. I got a lot of questions about this one here when I did the unboxing. Okay, look at how pretty this ring is. Again, it's a, I'm going to say it wrong, labradorite, or as people call it, labradite. And my camera's not, well, there it is. Look at that flash. It's gorgeous, large, very nice statement ring over here. And it's also a poison ring, which means it opens up. It has a hinge here. Very nice. Look how nice that is. And of course, you're not going to put poison in here, but you can put, I guess, you can put like those, you know, the perfumes, or you can put medicine, or whatever you want to put in here, or nothing at all, which is mainly what people do. They don't put anything. Very pretty ring. This one is $55. and it'll be less than that, of course. And this one's a size, oops, let's see, 7 3/4. And it does open and close really well. Okay, so what number was this? I'm kidding. This one was number 9. Okay. And if you purchased that ring, I did include this one in here also. I was wondering why there was 2 rings in here. I don't know if you guys remember this. This one is kind of like a unicorn, or it could be, I'm not sure what animal that is. I think I'm leaning more towards it being a unicorn. I'm not sure what the white stone is. Again, this is also a sterling silver ring, and with the purchase of this one, I'm going to send this one in as a gift. So you'll be getting both rings. But let me see what size this one is. It's not in the pictures. I did not take a photo of it in the listing, but it will be included. So this is 6 1/4. Okay. So you'll be getting 2 rings instead of 1. And the next one is number 10, which is right over here. And again, this one is also a teardrop shape with the rope around it. Very pretty ring. And this one I also put for 20. Let me see what size this one is. This one is a little over 6 1/4, I would say. Of course, I did take pictures with more. If you look at my listings, you will see more details and more detailed pictures than what I'm showing you right now. And they will have the correct sizes because I did take it. I did take the sizes of the pictures as the pictures of the sizes as well. Okay. So don't forget tomorrow, guys. It'll be at 1 o'clock Central Time. I'm going to put the link for Lucia's channel below. I'm not sure if she put the reminder up yet or not, but she will be putting it up soon. So I'll put her channel below and then also the links to where you can purchase these rings. I hope you guys had fun watching. This is Anita Finette. I'm not editing this. This is Anita Finita saying goodbye. Thank you, everyone.